Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know we are, and you know what we say. Any day above and not under, y'all. It's a blessed day. Come on, help us sing. We're gonna mukbang. Y'all, welcome back to another mukbang eating show. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, sharing is caring. So share this video. Yes. Okay, Shoshana. So we have beef and cheese pizza today for y'all from Dominos. We also have their hot wings. We have their Parmesan bites, bread bites. Yeah. We have their we got the cinnamon twist. I don't know if y'all can see it. Oops, this is your one. That's cinnamon twist. And it comes with sweet icing. Yeah, it's real cinnamony. I don't know if I'm gonna eat that. And that's pretty much it. We also got another pizza, but that's not gonna be in this picture, okay? Nah. Alright. They got a good little deal going on at Domino's, y'all. Yeah, how much was it? It was $20. Minus the hot wings. My mama just needed hot wings. I wanted some hot wings, y'all. I thought they didn't put no ranch in my thing. I was about to go. But they didn't put no marinara in there. But I got two pieces of pizza right here. They ain't put no marinara for these bites. They're pretty good though. Neither the marinara though. They do. And you get a soda with the deal too, so we got a Coke. Oh yeah, absolutely. Bow. All for $20. Legit can feed your family. Yep. Two pizza, one topping. We've been hitting up all the spots that got the deals. And we legit almost melted away out in the sun. When my mom's in the sun, she literally is not a happy person. When she gets home, she's like, I'm so tired. I swear. And we'll all be like, what did you do? I was outside. I mean, that sun beats you up. Come on now. It does. And it's supposed to be hot all weekend. I mean, like temperatures. Thank God I'm not at work. Like, Jesus. My job does not provide central AC. Okay, thanks, Amazon. I'm indoors. I don't have them worries. I know, right? Living a good life. Yeah, I just have to have me some wings. Excuse me. I told her I'm not sharing. Well, not with y'all. I'll share with y'all. I'm getting some wings. Some of food wings. Y'all see how she been acting lately in this video? When I touch her food. Look, y'all. I mean, she been cutting up. Normally I share with my mom. Please. But when you share with my mom, she takes it out of control. Because she'll take the whole thing and be like, well, y'all want to bite of that? Take a bite. Don't dip again. Back up. And y'all wonder where I get it from. Did you just hear her? Y'all see how she doing. Y'all been seeing how she do me. Anyway, how's everybody's day? How is the weather where y'all at? Who wanna watch the Lion King on the 19th? I do. Man, I gotta touch that flick. Ain't that tomorrow? That's tomorrow. Oh, we didn't get no ticket. Is it too late? No. But if we wait till tomorrow, it might be too late. That's like calling off kids from a lot of generations. That's at least like 3-4 generations worth of people missing. good. I love Little Caesar hot wings too.
Oh yeah. They have a good hot wings.
Mm-hmm. Always have to me. Their hot wings always been good.
But you know, I still vow by that one in the city. It's they're all never like disappoints.
Mm.
You don't feel the same way?
It's good.
You don't want to see me eat no wings.
Oh, you gonna stop in a minute? I'm playing. I wish we had married now.
I know.
I'd be smashing them bad boys.
I told y'all she loved carbs. Meat and carbs. Like, legit. That was my mom.
Today I'm like, she's trying to, Mom, what you gonna mukbang today? I said, a pizza.
I know. Everybody, I had to think about, like, what she want.
Pizza.
And when she said pizza, because my mom, she's not really like a super pizza lover. But when she in her mood, she will get some pizza. And you see, she got some pizza. She got a whole thing.
Pizza, baby, pizza. You put that for a foot? That's good. That's it. Don't touch no more. She gonna lose a finger today, y'all. I promise you. Mm-hmm. What's new in the hood, Shoshana? What's new in the hood? Y'all, I got the Parmesan cheese downstairs too. But I came up them stairs, I'm like, I ain't going back down there. I want this. Like, really? I used to prefer Pizza Hut over Domino's. But lately, Domino's has been killing Pizza Hut.
They changed.
They have.
They changed.
Their food, I used to couldn't stand Domino's, but their stuff has gotten so much better. Like, it be banging.
Yeah. Right now, I think the best pizza joint next to us is Domino's. Like, even though, like, you know, the little...
I haven't had Italian Fiesta in a minute, though.
We should definitely do that.
Yeah. Italian Fiesta, but I want the one in the city.
Oh, sorry. That's a long drive. That pizza
That's the
will
only
be so cold.
Yeah.
I left me car bang. Come on, I drank that fast. Look at you.
I'm hot. Excuse me. Stop playing. This pizza tastes good though. Woo. You want some more?
Sure. Pour me up, Scotty. Thank you, ma'am.
Tell me to pour me up, Scotty. Oops.
Y'all, I told my mom I gotta take her out somewhere.
Y'all, my birthday coming up. Ooh, I gotta find me an outfit.
You ain't told me when your birthday was.
Oh, I didn't?
You know. September the 17th. Virgo Nation.
Yesterday was their dad's birthday. Happy birthday. Happy belated birthday.
Lord. Love you, Daddy.
Y'all, I know I ain't sharing these wings. But y'all, and I'm sorry. I ain't having none. Not today.
Not today, Nanny?
Mm-mm.
You not sharing today?
Mm-mm.
Why?
I gotta make sure I get everything off that. Girl, put my stuff down.
I need some. Dunk.
You wanna talk about dunk? That's enough dunking. It's one little sauce. She wanna kill it.
I love pizza. That's why I can't have it a lot, cause sis.
Oh my word! What's
I'm
wrong
just
with you?
kidding.
Fatty.
I'm just kidding, but you're so me the fatty.
Yo, you've been doing the videos lately with me, and we still ain't been doing no thumbnails. Don't say nothing to me. Right.
She be thinking she's so slick.
Man, she always get on me about thumbnail. Cause I just jump into eating. After I'm done with intro, it's time to eat. By the time for all that, I'm hungry.
Legit, skip lunch for this, okay?
Sometimes.
So we just had breakfast and this, and that was it.
And then
And
after
breakfast
this,
was 2
a
pancakes.
lot of times I ain't even eat nothing else until the next day. Sometimes if I, if I feel like a little snack or something, I might. But I'll be hungry. That's not time for all that. Sister child be wanting food. God,
Excuse me.
have mercy on her father.
Excuse me. See, that soda has some fizz in it. So
Yeah, we gonna have to try the bottled one, the glass bottled one, and see how those are. I'm not saying no pizza I eat. I'm full.
we ate the whole pizza. That's what happened. We ate all the pizza and all the wings.
I'm full. Ain't
Right.
no more now.
I'm so done. You being so fast.
Yeah, man, we eat. I can't eat slow, y'all. I cannot eat slow.
Like, if y'all ever go in the comment section and talk about me, just look at the culprit. Y'all see her every day, okay?
I can't eat slow.
Cause man, I tell you, this lady was a savage when she was younger too.
Let me tell you something. When I'm hungry,
She will eat your food.
I'm just trying to get to the food.
She will eat your food.
A lot of times I don't even want to talk. I just want to eat.
Like, I know one time I was making me like a peck of noodles or something. She comes strolling downstairs because she has to use the bathroom. She comes in the kitchen. She goes, let me have that. And if you don't give it to her, she's going to take it. So if you go wandering off somewhere and you leave the pot and your noodles are done, she's going to put the packet in there for you, put it in a bowl for you, and walk upstairs
Of course.
in her room
Yep.
for you.
Like the other day, Kwani in the kitchen, he made himself some pancakes. So I'm like, make me two. I want me 2 pancakes. This boy gonna make me a pancake. Then he said the other one in the pot is for Cara. He had enough batter to make 2. 1 for her and 1 for Cara. I said I asked for 2. Boy, he's sitting at the table eating his pancake. I got done eating the 1 he gave me. I got up from the table.
Just silent.
I ain't say a word.
She thought she was slick.
I ain't say a word. I got up. I went in the kitchen, flipped that pancake, got it out the pot or the pan, put it on my plate, put my butter on it. I go in the dining room, sat down at the table with the syrup and stuff. Man, this one here ended up fighting for the pancake.
I look, cause I know
she was all in her phone though, yo.
She think I wasn't paying attention to her.
She was all in her phone.
My mom forgets that this is a game to me. Like, stop playing with me. I snatched that bowl so quick out of her hand. All she could get was a little tiny piece.
Cara got up because Cara was at the computer.
Cara hit her.
Cara flew up and flew in the kitchen like, let me get mad.
Right. I should have just got up and got the one out of the pan while she wanted to be on the computer worried about that. But
oh my word, it was so funny.
She stays stealing food.
Yo, I asked for two.
She's too awful, man.
I asked for two, not one. Two. Okay, they give me one. Oh, excuse me, y'all.
But you guys, that is it from us today.